Okay, now let's talk about these two measurement tools for area and simple measure. Okay. Okay, it tells you, okay, they measure the distance between an object and the page elements. It's very simple. For example, I tell you something here. This is a photo of room, and I want to change all of the distance in real world. But first, you have to know it a little distance in a real world. For example, go to your room, and you know, for example, active measure tool, and just click here, and you don't need to click drag. Just holding shift to quantize it and bring it. Oh, before that, because it's a document, go to selection tool and select somewhere out. Deselect everything. Then go to the document setting and make the document unit to, for example, centimeter. I need it, okay, centimeter or meter in this case. And hit OK. And document setup settings go to meter, not pixel. Then going here, I know the distance between these two windows in a real more in my room is 50 centimeter. Holding shift and click. But you can see it's not correct here. I have to tell the software real measurement of it, this part, and then software does everything to us. Okay. From here, don't change drawing scale. Just assign drawing scale here, okay? I know in my real world, this distance is half meter. You can tell M to 50 centimeter or half meter. And apply. And now you can see the software change all of the sizes in the real world. For example, I know this distance and height is about 3 meter actually. If you click and drag to here, now you can see it's correct. It's 3 meter. And every element in this room in a meter is completely correct. And you can, for example, insert your image. I mean, with this trick, you have a real dimension in this image. That's it. It's the usage of this measurement here. Or if you insert a pixel, for example, in this document, okay? In this document, I insert an image, okay? For example, I insert this TC logo and just click to insert with actual size, okay? And if you click on outside, you can see it is in, for example, I want to make it to pixel. And I want to see the dimension of that in a pixel. Okay, it's right in here, it's actually. But you can measure it to see what happened with the snap, with holding shift, snap, boom. You can see it's a real in a pixel. Exactly this. So the measurement is measuring the actual pixel, actual size of your element in your scene. So you can see the pixel here. You can see this number, and the measurement tell you exactly that number. Interesting. So it's more accurate. It's a nice and accurate measurement tool. So this is a different usage of this measurement if you need. Okay, in the next lesson, we are going to the area.